Hi guys, this is Raju from Techtonic. You may have seen my previous video on the Note 8 versus the Note 9 with the 8GB RAM variant in regards to application opening speed and other benchmarks. This video is a slightly shorter one where I run Antutu benchmark on both variants of the Note 9, the 8GB and the 6GB editions. The results will surprise you. With that said, let's get started. I've sped up this part of the video just to keep it short. We don't want a 10-minute long video just on this benchmark running. So both devices have finished at the same time. Now just to let you know, the 8GB variant is on the right. It scored 239,044, while the 6GB variant is on the left with a higher score of 242,104. Now it's somewhat surprising the 6GB variant has scored a higher aggregate score here. In the CPU test, the 6GB variant scores higher. In the GPU test, the 8GB variant scores better. Under the UX, the 6GB variant scores higher again, and finally the 8GB variant got a higher score in the memory test. That's what we all expected at the very least. Now to be honest, going into this test I thought the 8GB Note 9 would totally walk all over the other one, and that's probably the assumption made by everyone. So why do we have mixed results here? Are benchmarks even worth running? Let me know what you think in the comments below. This has been Raju from Techtonic. If this video was useful and it helped you, please like, share and subscribe. That would really help me out and I would appreciate it a lot. So thank you and see you guys again soon.